Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very, very impressive movement. I mean, you stop and think about that, where the price was just on Friday at the lows, and now where the price has fought its back way up to. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely been a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single area, and that area is down here around 1440. Now, why is 1440 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And then not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, though, because to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 1440. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, next key level to watch very closely is going to be that pink line up there. It's on my charts and notes. The very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. Current value right up there around 1565. So watch that closely. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very, very nice movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum and show some signs of progress. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.